Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage emails with Gmail, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Gmail website. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox with all your emails listed. To compose a new email, click on the Compose button located in the top left corner. A new message window will appear in the bottom right corner. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. If you want to add more recipients, click CC or BCC for hidden recipients. Next, type a subject in the subject line. Now, write your message in the large text box below. You can format your text using options like bold, italic, and underline found in the formatting toolbar. If you want to attach a file, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the message window. Browse for the file on your computer and click Open to attach it. When you're ready to send, click the Send button. To organize your emails, look for the Labels option on the left side panel. Click on Create New Label to group related emails. You can also use the star feature to mark important emails for easy access. To archive an email, select it by clicking the checkbox next to it. Then, click the archive icon to remove it from your inbox without deleting it. For deleting unwanted emails, use the trash icon after selecting the email. To find specific emails, use the search bar at the top. Simply type in keywords or the sender's name to locate your email quickly. Check your spam and trash folders occasionally to see if any important emails ended up there. Consider setting up filters to automatically sort incoming emails into specific labels. To create a filter, click on the gear icon in the top right corner, then go to See All Settings. Navigate to the If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.